Hey friends, welcome to Tech Harvesting. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create lists with HTML. This is the part 5 of my HTML for Beginners series, and let's start. At the end of this video, you'll be learning about 3 HTML tags: the UL tag, the OL tag, and the LI tag. So the first thing to learn is the UL tag. The UL tag stands for the unordered list. This is a type of list where it doesn't matter whichever order the elements are in. So for example, you're gonna give a list like this. So there's an item 1, item 2, item 3. They're not in a specific order, they are just bullet points. So it doesn't matter however we read them, just bullet points. And even on the web page, when we look right here, this is the code and we can see this displayed as the output. So when we use the UL element, we are actually displaying a list which is not in any specific order. And for doing this, you will need to learn about the li tags also. So the li tags are tags which helps us to have elements inside the list. So everything is inside a UL tag and the li are the elements inside it. So let's have a look by looking it in here. So beginning the last video we had like this, and in this video we'll have a small section here what we call technologies known, or we can call it hobbies or whatever we want. I just call it like that. And so let's get started. First, I'm opening up Visual Studio Code, and right here you can see this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create a new UL element. You just type in UL and it's created this. So now if we go back, we're not going to see anything there. It's just going to be blank because we have not kept any elements. The first thing is the li. So li is used to represent an item in the list. What do I mean? For example, we want item 1, and then we want to copy that down. Item 2. If you go back, now you can see it's like an unordered list. So it's not in any specific order, it's just bullet points, and it's just like some things to note, or you can give hobbies like that. Different things can be done. So we can give more items like this with the li tag. So the li tag is used to represent the items, and the ul tag is the thing that closes between all of these items, and it tells the browser that this is an unordered list and it should be rendered like so and so. Now we can see it like this. We can also give a heading in here. So we can give a H3 or H4, and we can give technologies. Whoops. Technologies. Oops. Geez, yeah, and it's gonna update in here. Now when you go back, we can also change the things in here. So maybe you want to write some programming languages like JavaScript and HTML, which is not actually a programming language, but I'm just writing down CSS and more. We can just go writing like that. But before that, let's learn about the next type of list, which is the ordered list. So for this, just as we thought, it's gonna be the OL tag, which is the ordered list. And this one is not like any bullet points or anything. It's like you must do these steps in this correct order or something like that. So if you go here and rename this to OL, so you can just change it in here to OL, and also the closing tag, of course. Now if you go back, you can see it's numbers right now. So we changed it from being bullet points to numbered items. So it's gonna go ahead and display numbers in the left side of the object. So we can actually change this, like if we want some other things to be displayed except like other than the numbers, we can give other items also. Even for the bullet points, for example, UL. If you use PowerPoint, you'll understand like you can give different items instead of just this bullet point. Like that we can do, but we need to use CSS for that, and that's not right now. So we're not gonna look at CSS right now. I would probably do a video on CSS soon, but now let's have a look at plain HTML. And we have now looked at these two elements, which are the UL and the OL. And we also looked at li tag, which is used with the UL tag and the OL tag in order to display items specific to the OL or UL element. So we can use different items in here. We can give headings to them over here, and there are actually more tabs like datas and different things for these lists. But that was actually it for this video, just showing you about HTML lists, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.